Hey GotBackup family, JB here. I'm the video producer here at GotBackup. In this video, I'm going to show you where to find the installation file for GotBackup and how to install it into your computer. Now just a side note, in this example I'm using Windows 11, but it's pretty much the same process installing for all Windows platforms. So let's get started. By default, my computer uses Edge, but you could use whatever browser you like. So we're going to go to the search bar and type in gotbackup.com. It's going to take you to the web page, and from here we're going to go to the top right corner where members area is. Now we're going to put in your unique members login. For this purpose I'm just using a demo account. Now you'll be brought into your members area. It's going to ask you if you want to save your password. That's totally up to you. Now we're going to head to the left hand tab where it says digital tools. GotBackup. Use this tool and click that. You'll then be brought into your dashboard, which is basically a summary of your account. Since you're a brand new user, you're not going to have any information stored. As you could see, we still got 6 terabytes left. Just to give you an idea, 1 terabyte is equivalent to about 1,000 gigabytes or 1 million megabytes, so that's a lot of space. Over here is your plan limit. It's going to tell you your volume available, how many users you have left, and if you ever need more space or additional users, you could always upgrade in the future. Now as I mentioned in the beginning, I'm using a Windows computer, so I'm going to go ahead and click download for Windows. Depending on your internet speed, this may take a couple of minutes. Once your download is complete, we're going to go ahead and open up the file. Here's the GotBackup installation file. We're going to go ahead and double click that to initiate the installation. Now you might be prompted by Windows Defender or your antivirus software. It's basically thinking that this is malicious software, but I could assure you it's not. To get around this, we're going to click on more info. It's going to show you the name of the software, gotbackup.exe. We're going to click run anyway. I'm going to go ahead and click install for all users. For my language, it's going to be English. Windows will ask you, where do you want to install this software? By default, it's going to be on your C drive. This is a common Windows file structure, so I'm going to go ahead and click next. I will also go ahead and click the create a desktop shortcut for easy access, and then we'll go ahead and click next. Windows is going to ask you just to double check everything, make sure everything looks alright. It looks good, so let's go ahead and install. After the installation is complete, you might be prompted to restart your machine. We'll go ahead and do this, and then we'll start on the next video. How to sync your computer with the GotBackup cloud.